guys, and welcome to another video of Baking with Chef Santi. I know it's been a while, but we're here with another recipe. If you want to see this recipe, it's called Little Lemon Bars. If you want to see the ingredients, we'll put that up in a little bit. And let's get ready to bake. Okay, so now we are going to bake the cup crust because that is the first step that we need. So let's get ready to do it. So I'm gonna get the butter and wrap it. So boom, and the other one.
Is the butter cold?
No, the butter is stuck.
Softened.
Softened.
But it's stuck to the paper.
And there it goes. So,
What happened?
So now we are going to make it fluffy. So, hi guys, we just made it back from finishing the fluffed butter, and now we're gonna make all-purpose flour.
How much?
There's already a cup in here, so don't worry, I'm not using my hands. And we're gonna need 1 cup and a half of all-purpose flour. So I'm just gonna do this 3 times and see what this does. So I got 2 and 1 less. Get another one to fill up. A bit of mess, but
What part of the lemon bars are we making right now?
the crust.
Cool. Any other ingredients we need to add right now?
And we also need to mix the powdered sugar.
How much?
It says 1/3 of a cup. So this cup. If I read it correct, 1/3. Got flour on the table, and I think it's very soft.
Looks good, huh?
Yes, and that should be good. So now we need to mix it until it turns like that. So now we're gonna put the crust into the oven.
What size pan did you use?
9 by 13-inch pan. Let's just open this.
What's the temperature on the oven?
350, as you can see right here.
I'm getting the white pot ready.
So we
And who's want the white pot, guys? I got the white pot ready.
Thanks, Eva. We'll get lollipops later.
Yeah.
How long does it need to go in this oven?
20 minutes.
Okay, do you know how to set the timer?
this pan. I am very good at doing this.
Let me see.
So then we are going to crack another one.
Mommy, I'm sitting. Mommy,
Come up on the side, Ella.
And now we're gonna crack the third egg in there. Get all the yolk and the last egg. And this is the last one I need to crack. And there it goes. There's all four.
No shells.
No shells.
Let me see.
Of course. As my sister needs to see because she is screaming and when we're not wanting to.
Tell us your name.
Papa.
And what do you have?
Oh my God.
Awesome. Thanks, Ella.
So now we are here mixing the eggs and sugar.
And egg.
And let's start.
And like lemon.
Well, this looks so weird.
Also so weird and that makes
So here we are juicing. I have 1 cup over here where you can see. But it says 1/3 of a cup. But I don't care. I really like lemon. So, whoa, there it goes. Perfectly out.
Is this for the filling, Santi?
Yep. Whoa, that changed. So now we're done. Let me just take this part out. Let this in the sink. And we have all our juice. So here's the lemon zest here. It's like kind of funky. But
How do we make lemon zest?
we get the lemons and shred them on a shredder.
and then
Kids, please don't do that because my mom had to do it because it's really sharp and it could cut your finger.
Get some help.
And
you know.
here's another thing. This might look good, but
And
it
you would
really
do it
tastes
bad.
bad. But it's good on things like this, I guess.
But don't eat a plate.
Is that damage for you?
Yeah, just don't eat
As
it.
I tell my friends, but weird. Mommy.
Santi,
My friends,
We are
women so weird.
almost done.
okay. So what else is in here that you're gonna mix up, Chef
So
Santi?
we have the lemon juice,
Mhm.
the lemon zest, the
And you
vanilla
got a
extract,
woman and just this
the
and down
lemon
and it tastes
extract, and the other stuff that we put in earlier. So let's start mixing. So I just added some flour into this, and yes, I'm going crazy with this.
How's it smell?
It smells really good. It smells like lemon. Lots of lemon. And I think it should be good. So we're just waiting for the crust to get out as it only has 1 minute and 45 seconds. So we're just gonna just wait for it to get out and cool. So let's see you then. Okay. So welcome to Trivia, where we get a question of what we're baking.
So our trivia question for you, Chef Santi, today is: Which lemon growing city displays a 3,000 pound, 10-foot tall, 6-foot wide replica of a lemon atop a monument reading Best Climate on Earth? I'll read you the 4 potential answers. Lemonade, Texas. Lemon Grove, California. Lemon Palms, Florida. Or Lemon Beach, Georgia.
I feel like it is Lemon Grove, California.
Well, I will say drum roll, please. Do a drum roll. And the answer is Lemon Grove, California.
Yeah.
Let's learn more.
I did not know that. I just totally guessed that because California has a lot of lemons grown there. So I just thought of that. So there we go.
Says the monument at the corner of Broadway and Lemon Grove Avenue is known to locals as the world's biggest lemon, without proof of that claim. It was built in 1928 by local architect Albert O. Treganza for a float in San Diego's 4th of July parade. Treganza's 16-year-old daughter, Amarita, was Miss Lemon Grove that year. In 1930, the lemon was plastered up to become a permanent installation. The city fathers chose to make it the ultimate statement about the town's purpose, prosperity, and optimism.
Yeah.
Yay for trivia!
Okay.
We're waiting for this to cool, huh?
Yeah. It's gonna take a while. Still pretty hot. So now we poured the liquid in. So I'm trying to gently.
Careful, careful.
Put it in here.
How long is it going to be in here for?
25 minutes at the same degree, right?
Yep.
So now we're gonna keep it locked, but big time. There. So 25 minutes, and I guess it started, right?
Yep.
Welcome to Joke Time, where we make a joke about what we're making. So, here's our joke today. Why did the lemon pie go to the dentist? Because it needed fillings.
Ha 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 ha.
So now we are going to take it out. So, we know already.
How we do?
So it looks good. So I think we need it cool. We need to slightly let it cool.
And then what'll be next? Don't pop it.
And we have to get powdered sugar and just dust it on there. And we have to make 24 little lemon squares.
Awesome.
I have this big pot thing for I could have like some fun with the powdered sugar so it could space out. So let's see what happens. So you have the powdered sugar right here. Pour it in.
Why the movie's not on? To Bobby. Poppy said like me, Mommy. Mommy, Poppy said like me.
Poppy's sick like you? Maybe a little bit. You guys both have allergies.
Don't get it.
Okay. Okay, it's looking really good, Chef. Just wait for it to cool a little bit so we can do a taste test, right?
Yeah.
Mommy, eat it.
Eva said, I want to eat it. It's so yummy.
So, hi guys. We are here with the lemon bars. Look how nice it is. My sister didn't want to wear clothes. And I told her you can't be in the video if you don't wear clothes. So she put on clothes and almost flipped her whole thing. So, let's eat.
What do you think, Chef?
It's really good.
Eva?
Nom,
You give it 2 thumbs up?
I gave it a million. It's very good. It has, I think the sugar on top makes it better. I love the lemon part for the filling. It tastes really good.
I like a lemon pie
Not really
too.
a fan of the crust, but it's fine.
I like a lemon pie and the test too.
Don't know what she's talking about.
Anything else to conclude, Chef?
Well, the next thing what we're gonna conclude is our next video.
And that's a Debbie Dennis tea.